Hi guys, it's Kate Wilson here with Wilson Luck Real Estate Group, and you've heard me talk about the amazing Unison Double Your Down Payment Home Buyer Program. But what if you're not in the market to sell? What if you'd like to hang on to that property? There is a way through Unison to access cash without a monthly payment and without going into debt. And so Lara Watson from Unison is joining me today, and we're going to talk about that a little bit, and then we're going to let you know how you can tune in for more info. Lara?
Thank you, Katie. Yeah, really excited to be here. And to date, I think most of us who have owned homes and will own homes in the future, when we think about needing cash and accessing equity, there's really only two ways to do it, right? So you either have to sell your home,
Yes,
which will get the equity out of it, or you can go into debt by getting a home equity line of credit, a second loan, cash out refi. You know, there's a number of different ways, but all of them mean either you're having to move or you're taking on an additional payment.
yes.
So one of my absolute favorite conversations I get to have on a regular basis is, what are your financial goals? What are you trying to accomplish? What do you have going on in your life right now or that you're planning for in the future? And all of it requires cash,
Yes.
for the most part. All of it requires money. So
Like what kind of things, Lara?
yeah, college. How many of us have kids going off to college? And we're like, how are we going to pay for that? Do we want them to be strapped with student loan debt as they're starting their life off? Home improvements.
Yes.
Love my house. My kitchen could probably use a little bit of help, a little
Yeah.
refreshing. I would love to
Yeah.
get nicer countertops. Or also starting a business. You have a great entrepreneurial spirit and you want to get things off the ground and get it started. You need cash to do that.
Yeah.
Servicing a monthly payment in the background as you're getting started can be a little stressful. You don't
Yeah.
have to worry about that with our program. And then really fun idea, I know we talked about rental income.
Yeah. I also love that she talked about just paying off some of your current debt.
Yeah.
Just getting yourself out of a financial hole if you're feeling like you're swimming.
Yeah. What are
So,
those interest rates
yeah.
that you're paying?
Yeah.
How much does that add up to over a long period of time? So I'm really excited that I get to spend some time live talking to you all about the program, how it
Yes.
works, answering all your questions.
So we're going to do that on September 12th, Tuesday, September 12th at 7 p.m. We're going to have a live feed, so a live little webinar, if you will. And it's only going to be about 20 minutes long, and it's going to give you all the insights on what is this crazy thing we're talking about that possibly cannot be true, but it is.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in love with this, guys. You know I don't bring you stuff unless I really endorse it. So join us September 12th, Tuesday at 7 p.m. Look for the live feed on the Wilson Luck Real Estate Group Facebook page, and Lara will be with me, and she'll answer your questions. If for some reason you can't join in, just send me a private message or call me, and we'll get you the information. So, but it's a great thing, and we're excited.
We're excited.
Thank you so much,
See
Lara.
you then.
Bye, guys. Wilson Luck to you.